Upload one or more documents to your cloud space. The upload progress bar is now visible. Upload an updated version of the document. Make the previous version active. Rename the document. Download. Cut all versions of a document and move them to another folder. Or copy only the active version. Permanently delete the document. Copy the link to share it with collaborators. Search for documents by name. Create links to other documents and view them online. Perform operations on a multiple selection of documents.